My name is Jose Luis Alonso. I'm a prosthodontist specializing in major dental reconstruction. I'm very passionate about my field, and what I love the most is to sit and listen to the patient's needs. And I want to be a part of bringing back their confidence and their function. We have the same tools, we have the same equipment, we have the same training. I spent 1 year in the University of Minnesota receiving specialized hospital dental training, and I received 2 years of dental education at the University of Connecticut. I learned implant dentistry and prosthodontics at Boston University. I belong to the International College of Dentists, and we belong to the Bicon International Dental Group. They can come here and they can really expect the same quality of dental care that they can receive back home.